Hi, I'm Tim Emmons, and I would like to lead a team to exceed your company's expectations. My target audience is executive management and HR department of the company that needs a team leader. The problem they have is they need to reduce costs and motivate their employees. The category: I'm a cost savings minded leader that offers a motivated, goal reaching style. My value proposition: I have cost cut savings for several companies by utilizing data, utility management, and spearheading a rebate program that saves my key customers. Competitive differentiation: I have accumulated experience in education and leadership skills that are customer focused and goal driven. I look forward to hearing from you and want to serve. Thank you.